Hey, happy Christmas Eve 2024. I just received an email from somebody who is actually living in Spain, interested in exporting recipes from the Paprika app. And I went into my videos, and I don't know if I actually showed this. So here's a quick how-to, at least as of December 2024, using the Paprika 3 version app on my iPhone. I'm going to open up the Paprika app here. I'm all signed in. I got my 239 recipes here. I'm going to tap on the upper left corner on the 3 bars there, and I'm going to go into settings. I've got an option here that says to export recipes, and I do want to export all of them. You can choose your categories if you want to. But instead of the Paprika format, I'm going to choose HTML. And then I can choose where I want this to go, and iCloud is going to be fine. I don't know what it would do if I said don't use Unicode file names. So I go ahead and click Export, and then here we are in iCloud Drive, and I think I can go ahead and hit Desktop. Let's see if I can do a new folder. Well, maybe it'll do a new folder. Let's go ahead and try to save that. Okay, so it's going to export all 239 of these into iCloud, and okay, cool. So export is complete. Now if I go into my Files app, I'm just going to look on this real quick on my phone. Okay, here it is. So here's that folder. This is going to show up via iCloud. And look at this. Then there's an index. Boom. What the heck is that? I don't know what this is. Oh, it's doing something weird. Okay, let me flip over to my, well, shoot, let's just do this on the computer. All right, cool. So here's the folder on my desktop called Export. And I go ahead and open that up. And then look, I've got an index file. If I go ahead and just double click that, I'm just gonna open it up in Google Chrome. Hey, look at this. Here is all of my recipes, all exported. So if we wanted to do St. Louis or Stromboli, I'm gonna make that today. Oh, nice. Doesn't work. Why doesn't that work? Huh. Oh, I bet it's because it hasn't downloaded all those yet. Oh, that's it. Okay, so I think it will work. It's an iCloud sync thing. And so if I go ahead and upload all those, let me make sure my Stromboli one is downloaded, because these don't all download right away from the web. Okay, there it is, Stromboli. Okay, so now we'll go back here to index. And if I click on Stromboli, haha, there it is. Okay, so just be aware that the process of having it saved to iCloud, I may need to sit here and click download now. Then it'll download all those recipes, and yeah, but that's it. And so they're all separate HTML. There's 242 of them. Look at that. That's super cool. Okay. Last thing I'll say is that I use this, and I probably need to do a new export to create an export on my cooking blog. So this is my Cook with Wes website. Come on, focus. food.wesfryer.com. So you can come up here to Paprika recipes, and I wonder how many I have. The last time I exported this was in November of 2020. So when I go ahead and click this, I actually, just uploaded it. Well, shoot, I've just done a new export. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that into a new folder in my Paprika folder, and I'll call it 2024-12. Okay, I'll go ahead and show a couple more of these steps. So here's my folder. This is the whole thing that's got all of my Paprika recipes in it. So now on my Mac, I'm gonna go ahead and choose to compress this. And so this is gonna create a zip file of this entire folder, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead here in cPanel, and I'm gonna click upload, and I'm gonna go ahead and upload that entire zip folder. So it's here on my desktop, there it is. These are hundreds of files, so I want to upload them all. I don't want to do them, separately. Okay, it says it's complete. So I'll go ahead and reload this page. And here it is. This is the zip file. Again, I'm using cPanel here on my web host. So I'm going to extract those files. So it's going to balloon all of that. Now I can delete that folder. This Mac OS X thing is just an extra folder when you use compressed zip files on a Mac. Okay, so now I have my original one there, and then this is my new one. So they're all there. So now I'm gonna want to make an update on my actual web page here. I'm gonna wanna edit this page. But now I'm gonna go ahead and click this, and I can look at this address and see how that says 2011. Okay, I changed that to be 2024, and I renamed the folder. So look at that. There's all 239 of them. And I can even edit that HTML file, like this one, says what the date is. It has 171. So I'll go ahead and edit that. Here, let me do that real quick. Okay, after a few more things I've uploaded. So now, check it out. I have this link here. Before I just had the November 2020. Here's my December 2024. Voila, there they are. There's all the recipes. All right. Air fried okra. Ta-da, look at that. So cool.
Nearing completion.